Hey everybody, Linda Bradley from Princess House. I am here today with the #1 selling item in our entire line, and that says a lot. So this is our high power blender. This has been our #1 selling item since it was introduced 4 years ago, and it's an amazing item. Here's a really fun fact for you. Princess House sells more blenders than any other company, including Walmart, every year. It's amazing. Let me tell you why. So our blender is special in many ways. It's 1,500 watts of power. It has 6 stainless steel, I don't know if you can see them, stainless steel blades that mix everything up. This vessel is 68 ounces, so it's nice and large. You can also use it in many different ways. It has a little half a cup addition here, so if you're adding things, you know exactly how much it is. It has 3 pre-programmed buttons. So one is for smoothies. That's the #1 reason that everybody uses it. But this blender is so powerful. You can put your fruit in here whole and it will pulverize it. It also has one in here for dips and spreads. You can make, and I've made, homemade pesto, homemade hummus. It's amazing. I love trying out new recipes. And then the last one is one that amazes me because it's for soup. You can make hot soup in 7 minutes. So what happens is when you cook this for 7 minutes, the friction of the blades make the soup come out super hot. So I've made creamy broccoli cheddar soup. I've made tomato basil soup. I've made butternut squash soup. You can also adjust this however you want. So it has the regular settings. You can make nut butters. I've made sunflower butter. I just play with it and make all different kinds of things. If what you're making is thick or sticky, it has what they call a tamper, and that you can mix it around, but it's made so that it doesn't touch your blades. Here's another little trick for you. These are so easy to wash, so once you finish using it and you go ahead and take all of your ingredients out of it, just put a couple of drops of dishwashing detergent and warm water in it, put it on and just mix it for about a minute. Guess what? It cleans itself. So this is in the book for $619, but you will never pay full price with me. This is a value right now. I have a bundle package that I can save you over $300. So complete with shipping and tax, this is going to be $396. It's an amazing offer. You can either pay it in full or do payments. So we can do payments, whatever works out best for you. I can do 8 payments of $49.50 each. Or you can do 10 payments of $39.60 each, however it works for you. Just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I'll make sure that you take advantage of this offer. I have 2 extra specials that I want to tell you about. I don't know if you've heard or not, but right now Princess House is doing surprise buys, and how this works is for every $40 that you spend, you can get a surprise buy for just $11. You're not going to know what it is until it comes, but it's a recently discontinued product worth almost and upwards of $145. And we've been seeing some amazing products that the company's been sending. So when you take advantage of this blender deal, I'm also going to be able to give you up to 4 of the surprise buys. Now listen, when you want a blender, there's a really good chance that one of your friends wants a blender as well. So when you sell more than one, if you want one for yourself and then your girlfriend wants one and somebody else wants one, ask me about my bonuses because I have bonus offers when you have multiple ones. Just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. This is not a company special. This is a Linda Bradley special, and I don't want you to miss it. See you next time.